You can see me. I'm here. Okay. So we're going to talk about the topic which is very important and interesting for everybody. The name of the topic is kinesics. Now, what do you mean by kinesics? Some people pronounce it as kinesics. It's not kine, it's kinesics. If I ask you to speak about 5 sentences for kinesics, you won't be able to speak. But if I tell you to speak about another name of kinesics, that is body language, and then you can speak 10 sentences. There's no problem. So the difference between these two names, that's the problem. Fine. So what we need to do is we need to find out what do you mean by body language, what are the different types of body language, and how it is important. This is the agenda of today's session. Fine. Okay. Now I'll complete this session in 40 minutes time. Remaining 10 minutes, I want to discuss something with you people, which is very interesting, and that we want to implement from next week. Fine. So you can fasten your seat belts by the time we reach to that portion of the session. Fine. Okay. I'm going to create one Google Classroom for the people. So whatever material I have, I wish to share, that I'll share there. Fine. Quizzes I'll share there, and I'll give you time. For example, within 4 minutes time or 3 minutes time, you need to complete that. So there will be less room for over smartness. Fine. Okay. So here we go with the presentation. What people are writing? So kinesics body language, it is not the name of one topic. There are two names of one topic. Kinesics is equal to body language, like this. Fine. So can anybody tell me one sentence that can be useful or that can tell us the importance of body language or importance of kinesics in one word or in one sentence? Can anybody help me out with that? Okay. One of the most important ways of communication. Good. When I was to explain this, I thought of one sentence. It was like this: your body speaks. Your body speaks before you speak. That means we see the people before listening to them. First we see them, then we listen to them, then we understand them. Fine. Okay. Fine, Yash. Now is it fine? Yash, is it fine now? Still. Oh. Let me check. Now can you confirm? People from offline, online? Now clear. Great. Okay. So we can move ahead. It's good to go now. First is opening remarks. This is what I'm going to discuss today in the class. Fine. What do you mean by opening remarks? What was the method? And we are going to plan for one exceptional thing, which will help you to create, that is generate interest to learn and maintain that interest to learn. Not only you, but you will also pull and push your friends. You need to study. Fine. So that we will discuss. Opening remarks is today in this class, Deepak sir is going to discuss about body language, different parts of body, how it works, and importance of body language. This topic, the word kinesics, is often asked in exam under short notes for 3 to 4 marks. In the last class, whatever we did was process of communication, which is always asked in 7 marks. This today's topic is worth 3 to 4 marks. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now you will have some boring text. It is important to understand. That's why our presentation, our slide is overcrowded. Otherwise, there will be 4 or 5 lines maximum or 5 words maximum, not more than that. Right? Okay. The first thing is the process of communication involves the use of common set of symbols between sender and receiver. So this is what you taught in the last class. Yes, everything is interconnected. That's why words are the most accurate and powerful symbols. But you will be surprised to know that 70% plus communication happens through non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means the communication happening without words, through sign language. For example, the entire class is full. In between 2 lectures of a gap, students are making noise. Somebody comes here and shout at you, "Keep quiet, everybody." What is this nonsense? And somebody from one corner will speak, "Keep quiet, everybody." And everybody will laugh. Why? Because looking at the personality of that person, it may not be effective. But if somebody comes and look at everybody without speaking a single word, looking into your eyes like this, and what will happen? You will be down. That's the power of, right, sign language. Power of body language. Fine. Okay. However, we communicate through many symbols other than words. Any symbol that is not component of verbal language such as English, Hindi, Gujarati, not right, is non-verbal symbol. For example, if I say that like this, so for friends it can be top secret. For teachers it can be tea time. Fine. If you're playing with your friends, it's time please. In cricket, it's I want to take review. Matlab, one sign can have many productions. Fine. So that's the thing we need to understand. There are essential to communication. Words often fail to convey the exact meaning. Therefore, pictures, drawings, sounds, body language, etc., are often used to convey messages. That will use support of that. But I'm going to give you entire PDF of this. I'm going to upload entire PPTs, videos, audios, whatever is there, right? Apart from there, you have my number. You can call me and say, play 1.2 body language lecture. I will start speaking. It would be a paid service, however, right? You'll be charged per second, right? So, I always say my students, I always suggest my students that you please run your mind first, then your pen. Sometimes it happened that, when I delivered some lecture to some university or somewhere, maybe it's a public function or something, I find people are busy recording lecture, video recording. In recording, they miss the fresh, real-time, face-to-face conversation. So one should be, focused on that. Okay. All these means, other than words, used in communication are non-verbal communication. Usually, we use non-verbal clues to support our verbal symbols. Body language, kinesics is one of the essential components of non-verbal communication. So, we have introduced the introduction, what kinesics is, through these 3 slides. Now, in this slide, you will come to know what exactly the concept of communication, or rather body language or kinesics is. Look at it. Body language, technically known as kinesics. This can be asked as true or false. This can be asked an MCQ. Kinesics is the technical name of body language, true or false? Fine? Okay. Human body and its various parts play an important role in communication. The study of messages conveyed by body movements is known as body language or kinesics. The way we move. This is the ideal way to move during the class. If somebody is speaking or walking like this, front and back, this is negative. This is negative. But you need to move like this, so that you can cover maximum class. During my class, I have got remote mouse. So I move an entire class, right, and deliver the lecture. So you feel that you are connected. Right? Okay. Men may play with words, but body speaks the truth. Fine. You have to be the best actor to hide your feelings through body. Your best friends always figure out what's the problem. Tiny. Oh boy. Chalo, we have lecture. Arey, dual with lecture. Chalo, let's go to the back canteen. Right? And you will have some cold drinks, some snacks. And then you will asking you the last time. Don't test my patience. What's the problem? and your friend will tell the problem. That means you can assume, you can guess, you can judge, right? That is true friendship. Okay. Okay. Next is okay. So we'll go to the first part, that is head. Now, if you do not mind your head, that will become headache for everybody. Head becomes headache. Fine. Yes, Pankaj, do you have any question to ask? Pankaj, if you have any questions to ask, you can type in the chat box. If you have no question, you can type no question. Acha, fine. Missed call. So there was a missed call by Pankaj. Okay. Head. It is said in English, hold your head high. See, the way you stand, the way you use your head, it was very beautiful written in one, I know, in one office. It was written like this. Listen to me very carefully. Use your head wisely. Use your head wisely. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Fine. So we need to find out in that way. See, your head, the way you stand, it shows self-confidence. The people who are lacking confidence, they might not look into the eyes of the audience. Fine. Nodding head. You must have observed that it happens in some schools, colleges, when teacher teaches first 3-4 students. Look at the student. Students say yes, yes. And teacher will say, okay, done. There are some teachers who look at everybody. They try to take the consensus, average. Right? It's easy to puzzle the teacher. For example, if you look at the teacher like this, teacher will ask you, are you getting the points? No expression at all. And your teacher will go mad because you're not getting feedback. Getting? That's the important thing. So nodding head. Are you interested to have a cup of tea with me? No, sir. Yes, sir. So body language makes difference. Fine. Would you like to have chocolate? No, sir. Please, sir. When I was in school, we used to ask, teachers used to ask that, if you're interested, please raise your hand. So when I ask in the class, right, if you're interested to have chocolate, right, please raise your hand. There are some students, they will raise both hands. I want two. One for me, one for my brother. Who is your brother? I am my brother. Wow. For chocolate, what you can do, right? Next one is facial expressions. See, your face is considered as the mirror of your thoughts. You do not require fair and lovely, fair and handsome Bika cream to look handsome. Fine. If your thoughts are good, if it is things are positive, it will be reflected here. Right? So facial expression is important. Now, what comes in facial expressions? Face has been called the mirror of your mind because whatever a person feels deep inside is reflected on his face. Girls may ask a question, sir, if we go for facial or forehead, will it make difference? No, it will not make any difference. I'm talking about the aura. I'm talking about the positive vibrations. You must have observed, you must have felt rather in your life. There are some people whose company you like the most. They may be different from your community. They have different mindsets. They have different expert areas. Even though you like, and there are some people in the group, in the family, in the class, fine, whom you do not like. You start feeling hatred. You start feeling uncomfortable. That is because of the vibrations. See, when you have positive feeling for any teacher or any person, that means when you have that feeling, that means the teacher has or that person has good feeling for you too. Otherwise, it will not bounce back. Anyway, point. So that is related to facial. This is the point. And ideally, if you want to talk to somebody of same gender or opposite gender, your both eyes and the point in the forehead between your both eyebrows, this triangle is the ideal place to talk with when you talk to somebody. Fine. Okay. Next is, if we talk about facial expressions, face has been called the mirror. Okay, all parts of the face, that is lines of forehead, eyebrows, muscles, cheeks, lips, right? They all speak louder than words. For example, if somebody look at you and you smile, see, there are different ways of smiling. You just move your lips, deep U curve, Amazon curve. That is smile. Fine. Then the next step is laugh. Next is giggling. Giggling is, what girls do generally. KHI, KHI. Kiki. So, for example, if somebody falls down on the floor and you smile and give hand, it's okay, come on, get up. That will be taken positively. Or if somebody falls down and you look at that person giggle, so that would be considered as negative. Yes, KHI, KHI. Okay. So next point. Okay, there are no messages, so we can go ahead. Okay, it's time to connect now. Okay, so this is the time for connection. Let me know it is true or false. Body movements of a person are directed by his thoughts and feelings. True or false? Everybody, okay. Fastest finger first in online is Hussein. Okay, let's find out the other people also. Okay, so everybody says true. Let me check. It was there true only, right? Okay, now eye contact. Now, how important eye contact is? See, eye contact works as pairing of two Bluetooth devices. If you could establish good eye contact in the class with the audience, that means you can convey send receive packages. But if it is not connected, what will happen? Sending fail. Fine. So eye contact is important in that way. Look at it. Okay. The face is a picture of mind with the eyes as its interpreter. Marcus has said like this. It is said true love doesn't need proof. The eyes tell what the heart feels. Fine. Please take it in an academic way only. Right? इस कहानी के सभी पात्र काल्पनिक हैं. Fine. So a big disclaimer for the people. Okay. Eyes communicate our deepest feelings. Therefore, eye contact is one of the immense significance in face-to-face communication. Fine. You look, I can tell you that whatever God you believe in, whatever the picture of any god or goddess, you look at the eyes. Big, bright eyes. Why is it so? Because that tells you something. You get the feedback. Now, there are lots of temples, religious places. where we can find idols of, you know, different goddesses. So when you look at them, you feel like you are connected with their smile, with their eyes, right? So this is something important. So even we understand, you must have observed that, when you are, going anywhere, somebody has pet dog or cat something. Sometimes some with some people, some guests, dogs behave very nicely, politely. With some, they become nasty. They become notorious. Why? Because they look in the eyes, right? I was observing a few days back. I was having walk over here. I could find that one girl was struggling to get away with one dog. That one black color dog is there near lakeside. Now, see, the thing I wanted to convey is important. The moment these animals look into your eyes, there's a fear. Why fear? Because you are hiding something. That's why they chase. Even into the eyes of, what we call animals, wild animals. I've seen some of my friends are there in Sasan, right? They're trekkers. So with the small stick, that ordinary stick, right? They face lions because they know what exactly they are fear of, they're afraid of. So when you look into the eyes of the lion, right, it might work. But I tell you that there are many conditions. This is strict conditions apply. If lion is hungry, then nobody can help you. But if lion is there at the lake drinking water, right, and it is in the way, you can redirect that lion for some days. But it's a trick, right? Okay, so we should not do it. But this is eye contact. Okay, so this is something about eyes contact. Okay, I can go ahead. Eye, Karunari. Fine. Now, an effective presenter is the one who can't manage the eye contact with all the members in the audience. Yes, Udit, fastest speaker first. Satyrachi. Okay, Virat, everybody. Okay, good, good, good. It's Ken, not Khan. So don't call it gestures, it's gestures. Gesture and posture, these are two things. The most common gesture of entire Asia is what you don't, when you don't know something, somebody asks you, excuse me, can you tell me this? This means I don't know. Right? And one hand is Brutus U2, like this. Somebody is playing in the garden. 9:30 in the evening. Both hands, I don't know. One hand, I. Why is it so? Fine. So gestures, the way you react, the way you respond, fine, through body language. Let's go for it. Look at this. Gestures are our hand movements. Different hand movements convey. Yeah, 2 minutes to read, and I'll ask you. Quick. What is pounding? One word which is there, which looks different. Yes, anybody? Huh? Pachadu. Okay. Yes. Thumbs up. The world after Neeraj Gupta's feet, the world is moving. Cheers. Right? So that is something we need to understand. So these all are gestures. Fine. If you remember CID, ACP, दया कुछ तो है कुछ तो गड़बड़ है कुछ तो गड़बड़ है is a typical gesture. Fine. Okay. The traffic policeman does use these gestures to control traffic. If you watch this Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, you must have observed when any vehicle enters the society or leaves from society, you will find Jethalal giving signal in an exaggerated way. This is gesture. Fine. Dr. Hathi every time sahi baat hai. That gesture. Fine. Okay. Deaf people, differently able people, they use sign language. Okay, gestures to have crucial importance in public speaking. For example, if somebody comes and speak like this, both the hands in your pocket, right? First button on, open, collars up, and you're talking to people. And no, that shows set both things. Clear, right, properly, tie, blazer, full sleeve, that makes different story. Fine, right? If I speak like this, right? If I speak like this, even if I speak while having my both hands in my pocket, only the thumb out. All these things, all these postures, gestures have meaning. Fine. I'm going to give you one link. IndiaBix.com. INDIA. IndiaBix.com. Right? Okay. You go to that website, go to body language, you will find all these things. Fine, in detail. Posture. The short form of posture is pose. Fine. When you go for photographs, pose. Fine. Okay. Which is the situation where you do not like to get captured? When you do not like to be clicked? What is the situation? Huh? Hello? When you are eating something in somebody's function and somebody is after there, yes, Hussein, you caught me. Fine. There are typical, photographers, videographers. When you're eating, you're, involved with your plate. That thali becomes thal. Literally, your wrist start aching because 2.5 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg sometimes. Holding that 4 kg plate for some time is difficult. Fine. So that is the thing. See, buffet means in Gujarati, I very often say the meaning of buffet. Buffet no matlab thai joy etlu. We believe that buffet means hoy etlu. When you have roti, paratha, naan, that means you can pick anyone that you like, and we pick all three. Right? There are 2 sabjis in the menu. You take both. Pizza, pani puri, and khichdi. You take Chinese bel, yes. Chart basket, you take all. And your stomach is looking at you. What is this nonsense? Because it happens when we offer a cover, envelope, money, put money in that, and we give. Back of our mind is how we can cover that cover, how we can recover that cover. So we try everything. There are two types of sweets, and we say so sweet. So this happens. I have seen people after having dinner, they go for buttermilk, they enjoy ice cream, then gola, then soda. So, and then they say that, yeah, the food was very heavy. Is it? Okay, posture. Let's go for it. Posture. Posture means the way we sit and stand. Fine? The way I told you that somebody comes to the class and stands like this. This police wala does the same thing. Fine? It's a fear business. The more you are afraid, fine, you need to balance it. If you're overconfident, they'll puncture your confidence. If you're underconfident, they will stop you. Right? Before 5 days only, last Thursday or Wednesday, the moment I left Marwadi's campus, right after that, there were 2-3 policemen standing, and they were checking. The moment I left, right, one constable stopped me and said, PUC license, RC book. I said, I have everything. Along with that, I have Marwadi's iCard. Acha, sir, jao. And I have it. That's why confident I can say. But if you bluff, if they can look in your eyes, because this is a business, they can look at you and they can confirm. It happened one time. I forgot my RC book at my home. I said, sir, I have my RC book with me. You believe me, right? I can show. He said, write down your name and number, and next time, make sure that you have with you. I said, fine, sir, no problem. Right? Then later on, that we have different, mobile application, government mobile application, DigiLocker, right? So I uploaded documents there, so I can show them. It's not needed, right? Okay, but over there, if you try to challenge the policeman, sir, you cannot say like this. You should give it time for 10 days. I know the rules, and then he'll put you down. Right? You should do that, but if time permits, if it is the situation, posture, right? It's important. Now, any question or query? As I told you that I'm sorry to end the session a little bit late. I told you I'll complete in 40 minutes time. Fine. 40 session. Okay, good. Fine, it's okay. It's okay. We have 7 minutes to go. We have 7 minutes to go. Yeah, I don't believe it. I have my own watch. I have my own time. I follow my own time, right? Okay. Listen. Even I suggested in one of the classes, I could find that one student was looking at the watch very frequently, every 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I asked the student, is it a new watch or you do not enjoy the class? And he gave a broad, beautiful smile as a new watch. Apple. Then I suggested that if you frequently watch the watch, fine, the battery will drain. And he looked at me, is it? I said, yes. And then he stopped looking at the watch. Right? It happens. Sometimes you believe your teacher, right, for some time. Okay. So the people, what I want to convey, uh, attendance, quiz time, closing remarks. Thank you. So I'll go for yes. So I'm going to talk about certain things that I want you people to help me. The moment I tell you to submit your attendance, till then do not do that. Otherwise, that will be marked absent for next 5 lectures. Okay. Now, listen to me very carefully. Next 5 minutes, I'm going to talk about very important thing for you people. I inquired with some of the students of your batch, other batches, my previous students, and I could find that what can we do so that we can increase the engagement of the students. I got different suggestions. See, I don't want to be the havaldar of your classroom. I don't want to be the watchman of your classroom. I don't want to be the policeman of your classroom. I want to be the teacher. That means my focus is how I can teach more and how you can learn effectively. Right? Attending class is secondary. I don't want to prove that in my class my students do not go. I know one thing very clearly, that if my content is up to the mark, if my delivery is best, no student will leave the class. Mahi left. So, if she does not join in some time, we need to rethink, right? This is technology. You cannot hold anybody, you cannot held responsible anybody. Fine. And network issue has reached to the top 3 excuses of the world. Fine. Before that, it was MK. Okay. So I'm planning to introduce one concept in the classroom. That is the concept of gamification. Everybody plays game, right? Okay. And I can tell you that everybody enjoys playing games. And the moment you are not winning, you will not like it. You will try to do something so that you can win every time. So I'm going to introduce one concept called leaderboard. Leaderboard, what you call it, storyboard for EC2 class. Now, how it will work, I tell you. Your score for every quiz, your participation, active participation rather in the class. Whenever I say type yes in the chat box, who types at what time? That will have marks. When you go for effective opening remarks, it will have marks. When you go for closing remarks, it will have marks. All these things will be, integrated to one ranking system, where internally you will have that ranking. Now, if it is individual, there is a problem. The people who are into, they will be more into. The people who are less interested, they will not at all be interested. So I am going to, form groups, 4 groups, maybe 3 or 4 groups. So this 3 or 4 groups with individual score will be on top every week. Hello? Fine. So is it a good idea to start with? I will need your support. I will need, because I have found certain extensions where whatever time you have stayed in the class, online, offline, both, I can measure that. Offline also. Fine. Offline it is, obvious. No, you are sitting in the class. You are in the class. Right? See, that is next level, pro level. Fine. So this I am going to introduce those who are interested, because I need some core team to help me out with this mechanism. I have asked some of my senior students to create a platform like this so that we can add the details. So I'll need your help. Those who are interested to contribute, you can WhatsApp me in person. Sir, I'm interested to contribute for this leaderboard concept. So we can separately meet and we can discuss and we can implement. I can guarantee you that it will be miraculous thing, because you will help your friends who are slow learners, who are little less interested. You will pull them. If they do not work, you will push them, and there will be organic development. Everybody will grow together. Fine. So this will happen. So I wish that you people join and you can help us. Fine. Now everybody quickly share your enrollment number and your names for attendance purpose. Fine. And the people who are offline, I guess you can collect everybody's number and you can share with me and WhatsApp. Ask everybody to write down and then you click a photograph and share. Fine. Name so that I can verify.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.